Hello, my people. Welcome back to the Latin Cyber. Today, this video gonna be sharing driving permission. I'm gonna show you step by step, so just pay attention. What we're gonna do first, just let go to Fire Starter, Fire and Starter Services. Click. I wanna sure. I'm gonna right click here, new sure. Gonna next yeah, make sure that select C drive. Next here it's up to you what name you wanna call it. So here I just gonna work group. Just gonna go work group. So next, now this is allow for cash insure. Yes. Just next, next. Click create, close. So now here we have our work group shutting forward. And so to check it out, we're gonna go here back to File Explorer, open it. Okay, it's opening. So right now we this PC, we're gonna this PC, sorry, this PC local, we're gonna C drive, share. All right, open. So here we have our forging workbook. So we right click property. So we can see that's the path that we're gonna use later on. I'm gonna show you where we're gonna use that path, security. So far we have users and administration system on the creator, automations. So now going back here, uh, let's create tools. I'm gonna go add to directory. To do that to use our computer, let's create some user. So now let's create some user. Uh, Amazing user. I'll just right click user new and user here. We wanna add. I'm gonna put this see the David. I'm gonna say David for uh click here. Just let password. Finish. Now we're gonna go back to the folder that just we create. So no, not that one here. So we're gonna make some forwarding. So let's create user let's create HR, and then let's make another which one we're gonna use. Uh, says sell for now that to 40. So we're gonna so now we're gonna in HR. I'm gonna go properties. I'm gonna assure that's the path for HR. Gonna go. Yes, we could go advanced. You can go here advanced settings, or you can here as well. Either way is fine. Just go sharing setting HR. Here you can add and delete people. But right now, you say add and remove, but we're gonna go back to here, security, and then go advanced. So now that we got here, and make it a little bigger right there. All of us we can see better. Not, yeah. So if we're gonna have to enable the one because this disabling inheritance because if we allow user, so everybody can see it and do whatever they want. So for that reason, we cannot remove it. We cannot remove it. Just we had to disable. We click here disable. Just converting inherit permission into implicit permission. Just object we hit the first one because if we hit it here, we're gonna remove all the users. We click in the first one. So now we can remove it. We click and now remove it. It's gone. So we're gonna do the same thing with that one and remove it. It's gone. So now we're gonna add allow select principal. In that case, David is gonna be the when I David to HR. David. Let's check name. Look for Davis. Yes. We click OK. So here we had to decide what control he gonna have. We can get a full control. He when full control, you see he gonna able to delete, to modify, to block people, to do whatever he want. So we had to decide, and just gonna allow to modify. Yes, just to modify, right? Um, this guy, as soon as we click modify as well, he's gonna be able to write. We click OK. We click apply here. So here, just Davy belong to HR. So now, if we go click OK and close, we go to sale. We're gonna go properties. The same thing we're gonna do. So property. Like that, you can see the path. That's the path for property. We're gonna advanced setting, advanced setting. Uh, so security. We're gonna advance. So here we're gonna have to user disable inheritance. Remember the first one. With the search now we can remove it now. Remove and remove. We're gonna add. So just gonna because that's the administrator and creator honor. So we can see so. We're gonna add select principal. Gonna help desk. So we click check names. As they show up, we just click OK. we see it has you can say he can write, but he won't be able to modify. So just let clear modify, and he gonna allow to write as well. So we click OK, and we click apply, and we click OK. So and now now we're gonna go to Windows 10. We're gonna log in Windows 10. So we're gonna go Origin, File Explorer, Server. Another thing we have to remember the path. I'm gonna go back to um to the server. Go was our path here. Cell. I believe he's in cell. I'm gonna go properties. That's the that would probably be able to find it. So now that we know our path, we're gonna go back to Windows 10. So we're gonna map our drive to be able to find it. So go back to Windows 10. So we're gonna go to here, this PC. When add here, just add the name of the server, the path, which was that one server uh, minus zero two work blue. Just lay out it path to see if it work. So I added a way like that. You can look at that we are able to show the forwarding. So from to the network path. So if we go to HR because we don't have permission, let's see if we have permission. So click in HR. So if you try to get access to HR, uh, because we don't have access, we cannot. So let's try to see. Uh, we say window cannot access, so you don't have permission to access. So we don't have permission to access the forwarding. So you remember, so that's we log in for user hard desk, which doesn't belong to the HR. So if we go to sell, which however they belong to, so we click open. So we have a lot inside forwarding. So here we can create another forwarding, create so file, sorry, and create a file called Latin Cyber 2. So even so we have obviously we have the power to modify. We can open so the file. Let's see. Hello. You see. Hello. Um. Just we click and save. Just save. Um. So we because we have access and we have the power to modify. When you have the power to modify, you have power to write, uh, to delete, to rename, to do everything. So now we're gonna go back to the server. So Windows Server. So we're gonna close it here. We're gonna go to the cell. We can look at all the file. So let me create another forwarding. So and we're gonna let with all the permission in the forwarding. Let's see core users. So we create the forwarding right now. So um I will leave it like that. I don't wanna take, like, you remember I said if we property, so if we don't take it out, if we don't remove users, that the users everybody can read and it's secure, right? I'm gonna show you now why we had to do that way. We're gonna go to Windows 10. So we're gonna go back here. You see user, and let me show you. Let me do a lot of demonstration. If we go to HR and HR, so we can have access to this to the HR forwarding, right? We close. If we go to the user, we allowed to go, and we allowed to even uh create a file, the file document. So we're gonna go file. Let's see. Yes, it's just, and we're gonna go back. So like here you can see we create a forwarding. So just let me you can rename it. Let me just rename it. Let me put a Latin side. Latin side too. Set of two. Set of trio actually. So now open. Say hi. Say ha ha. I just whatever. Okay. That's a Dominican thing. So um when I say um so when I go back to server, uh now go to the server, so we're gonna go user, and the user we have Latin server. So that's the reason that always when you create for them to share to the network, so we have always had to like uh all the users in that case, like we did with the previous one. So we still have it here, right? That to users, a Latin cyber user. If you because they have read and execution power, which means they can do whatever they want. So if we go for example in cell, and which one we remove the user, with security advanced, you see here we don't have it because we remove it for that reason, because we want to just the people that belong to that department, just that people have a permission to open the file and look the information. And so so guys, that's it for the video. Just remember, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and give a like. So, and guys, the best way that you can support me, it is subscribing to the channel and sharing with others. See you to the next video.